God with you. I am in front of you. I want to tell you that I have told you that I want to teach you the use of preposition. So I want to teach you the first use of on. So let's learn about the on. First use of on is surface. I You will definitely solve, or you can definitely solve all the sentence of the preposition about the on. So watch my videos till the end. Thank you. So first use of on, surface. A mobile is on the surface. The mobile is on the table, means table is the surface where is on mobile. So then we will have to use the on. So this is noun, also this is noun. Before the noun, preposition is used also. I have told you in the lecture. So there is, it is on the table. It is on the table. It is also pronoun. On is also preposition, will show the relationship between table and it. And table is also surface, I have told you already. So put this picture on the wall. Wall is also noun, and this is also pronoun. This is also preposition because show the relationship between them. So we have used on because of wall is on surface, there was putting the pictures. So and other use of on is that, so like this is the surface where is on the pen. I put on the pen my hand. This is the surface where I put pen. So this is the use of first use of on. After that I will teach you another use of noun. So state. So other use of on is state. Virat Kohli was on the fire last night. And in this sentence, on is the preposition which show the state of Virat Kohli, that was on the fire. He is on the room, means he is a pronoun also. Room is a noun which and a noun is also preposition which show the relationship between, and we have to use on because of his state. Mango juice is on the demand. Mango juice is on the demand. That's demand is also noun, and mango is also noun. Then on is also preposition because of it is a state of a mango juice that has large demand. That is state. That's why we have used on there. So other use of on is third. So that is, we can use the on with the date is. How? Look at that. He will come on the Wednesday. He will come on the Wednesday. So there is a Wednesday. We have to use on because of dates. This is the dates. That's why we have to use on the Wednesday. Means days of all the days we will have to use the on with days. So they meet me on the Sunday. They meet me on the Sunday. On the Sunday. Sunday is the day. That's why we have to use the on. That is very easy, yeah. So learn on the another example. I am born 26 January 1999. So in this sentence you can see that there is a dates. That's why we will have to use on. So another use of on is that devices. We can use the on with devices. So look at that. He is on the phone. He is on the phone. Phone is also device. We can use the on with a device. So another example is show will be telecast on the television. Television also a device. That's why we will have to use the on there. So she has been on the computer. Computer is also device there. That's why we have to use the on. And he is solving the sum on the calculator. Calculator also device. So these are all the four use of the nouns. After that I will teach you the more use of about the on. So that's all about, this is for only you. So I will teach you all the use of all the preposition, all the use of prepositions I will share with you. So inshallah I will meet you next video. That's all about the on. So there is some use of on is remaining, that I will take in next video. So thank you.